Hi, grade 2. I'm Iman Said from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume Unit 7 in your book Connect class from Step Ahead book. But before I will start I will resume our last unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make, share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. Let's go to continue our unit today. Video, the last class, we stopped on lesson 7. Let's go to know more about lesson 7. We have some new vocab like bear, graph, close to, x-axis, closer, y-axis, far away, information, further, show, measure, group, compare things. Means compare between when we say, for example, Ahmed is taller than Ali. This is the comparing thing. So compare means compare two things or two persons with each other. Goes up, distance, goes across bottom, temperature, line, by train, time, how much, labor, how many. For example, how far, bathroom, clothes. Let's read in this text and answer the questions below. I live in Cairo with my family. We like to travel to other places in Egypt. Sometimes we go by car, sometimes we go by train. I like to visit different places to learn about Egypt. Some of them are close and some of them are far away. I will repeat this text to listen clear with me again. I live in Cairo with my family. We like to travel to other places in Egypt. Sometimes we go by car, sometimes we go by train. I like to visit different places to learn about Egypt. Some of them are close and some of them are far away. Let's go to another text. A bar graph is a good way to show information. The x-axis is the line that goes across. This is x-axis. This is x-axis. This is called graph. We took it. We took in. We will take in math, or we took in math. I'm not sure. We took in math. This called x-axis. We write here, like we write here status and the distance here. Okay, so this called bar graph. This called bar graph. X-axis and y-axis. The y-axis is the line goes up. This is the y-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay. X-axis is across the bottom. This called x-axis, and this is y-axis. Okay. Is the line that goes up. It shows how much or how many of a thing there is. A graph shows us how to compare things. For example, distance, temperature, or time. Distance, temperature, or time. With label the x-axis and the y-axis. With label with x-axis and y-axis to show what we are comparing. Let's go to answer the questions below. The x-axis is the line that goes up or goes across the bottom. We say we tell you from a few minutes why x-axis is the bottom. Here it is. This is the line that goes across the bottom. So I will select which one I selected. I select number 2. Aswan is very space Cairo. Without thinking, it's far from. Can you think that Aswan is near to Cairo? Not can't near Cairo because Cairo in north, but Aswan in south. So it's far away, far from Cairo. The bar graph shows the distance of the cities, temperature of the cities around Cairo. Can we know temperatures here? This called temperature or distance? No, it's not a temperature, it's distance. So I will select number A. Let's go to another questions. Look at the graph and answer the questions. Here is we write the distance between how far is from Cairo to Alexandria. We say Cairo to Alexandria. There is Cairo to Alexandria. Cairo to Alexandria. How far? How far? How far from Cairo to Luxor? Cairo is far away from Luxor, but Cairo to Alexandria is closer close to Cairo is close to Alexandria. Cairo is close to Alexandria, but Cairo to Luxor is far away from Luxor. Which is closer to Cairo, Bursaid? Which is closer to Cairo, Bursaid or Damian? Closer to Cairo, Bursaid, not Damian or Bursaid. Which is farther from Cairo, Hurghada or Aswan? Farther from Hurghada or Aswan. Aswan is farther from Cairo. Aswan. Let's go to another one. There is a test depending on Unit 7. Let's answer this test. Why do you tidy up? All of us. Why do you tidy up? Why will you tidy your home? Well, to keep your home dirty or to keep your home clean? To keep our house tidy, to keep our house clean. So I select number 1 by number C. Do we get wool from ducks? Can you think we get wool from ducks? Where we get from where we get wool? From ships, from ship and from ship. So can we get wool from duck? No, we don't. So we select number E by number 2. What was the weather like yesterday? It was cloudy. So I select number B by number 3. There are what? Oases in the desert. So I select number 4 by number 8. Let's go to another one. Here is, can we write here is chicken. There is chicken. Windy. As we told before, grade 2, we must study the vocabulary to answer this question, because this question can be answered without studying it. Okay, mountain. We have mountain. We must study the vocabulary to answer this question. If we have missing letter, if we have missing, or we have unscrambled, both we must study the vocabulary. Okay. Let's go to another activity. Another picture. Here we have do we get milk from cow? Yes, we do. So I select do. Can we say don't? No. Can say no, because we don't have no here. No, it must be negative. So this is affirmative. So I select what? I select do. There space plants, trees. So we have plural here, S and S. So can we select is? Wrong. Can select R. I will make you misunderstand it when we say Miss Iman select wrong answer. I want to make you misunderstand it to correct the correct answer, to select the correct answer, because we have here we have S and S. So this vocab is plural noun. Those are plural nouns. So we select what? We select R. Do we cycle to school to keep fit? So I when we answer with two, so I answer by reason. So when we ask to give you the reason, we ask with what? We ask with why. Who to ask about it? Who to ask about subject person, and what to ask about something. Why to ask about the reason. So I will select reason. Why do we cycle? Why do you cycle to school? What do you cycle to school to keep fit? Let's go to another question. It's called hot, warm in winter. In winter, the weather. What the weather in winter? It's cold. I'm listening to say this. It's cold. There is a rivers, mountains, lake in this city. So here is we can say no, don't no mistake. But I would like to say there is here there is. So we have verb to be singular. So what can I select? I select lake. Why I select lake? Because this is singular and I select the singular noun that is suitable to verb to be. Okay, we have here lake. Is the weather like? So what we can ask about is the expression we know, all we know. What is the weather like? Which is the closest to Cairo or Luxor? Which is close to? We told before. Which is closer to? Which is closer to? Which is closer? Which is closer to Cairo or to Cairo or sorry? Which is closer to Cairo? Which is closer to Cairo? So I will select closer. We recycle paper. We recycle paper space after because or to also look after the environment. So we recycle paper. Why we recycle paper? To look after. So I select the word in the middle. Let's answer the text and this text comprehension. You must read the comprehension very well to answer the question below this this fact. The high dam is very big. So I will the topic our topic is about high dam. It's very big. It's about 70 years old. About 70 years old. People built it to control the Nile River. They also use it to make electricity. It's very important. The high dam is very small. Is this sentence right or wrong? No, it's not right. Why? Because the high dam is very big. It's 17 years old. The high dam long. It's how many years? It's 70 years old. It controls the river Nile. Controls controls the river Nile. Yes, we use it to make water. Wrong. To use it to use it in electricity. Okay. Let's go to another question. It's what here? It's sun. It's sunny. We get milk from cows. There are pyramids. Furniture. Here we sell furniture. Here is furniture. Let's go to another exercise. This is the story. I will explain later. I will leave it now. Let's go to unit to know more about unit 8. Don't get lost. Don't get lost. What we talk about here. We talk about direction. Let's go to know more to know a brief about this unit. Next class, I will explain in details. We have new tab here like station, coffee, gas station, supermarket, airport, library, port, store, museum, restaurant. We have where here to ask about what grade we know all where WH question will ask about what grade grade 2 about place. We'll ask about place. Why ask about about what? Why? We took it in the last unit. Why to ask about reason. Okay. So why we took when we ask about reason we use why, and when we talk about where, about place, we talk we ask when we ask about place when we ask about place we use where. We use why to ask about reason, and we use where to ask about place. Let's continue our unit. Let's continue the rest of this part. Where airplane go straight with go without going right or left. Go straight, okay? Go straight without turning line or left. Go straight. This means go straight. We have train. Turn right, boat. Turn left, Ferrari. Next to this is expression must be no adjective. If we select, if we say you select, and we have to, without thinking, select that. Okay. Next to is a proposition. Is a complete proposition. So you can't write anything about. We can't write anything except next by to. Next must be followed by to. Okay. Next to we have car. Real road, real road, highway, real road and highway, taxi, travel, sky, stop, water, how. Sorry. Let's reread this text and know more about our lesson. Can I play? Can I play? Can I play? Thank you. I would like to go to the station, please. There is the station. Go straight, then turn right. The station is next to the coffee. Yes, you can. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? Here is questions we must study with each other. Where would you like to go? I would like to go. I would like to go to Aswan, please. How would you go? How would you go to Cairo? We go to Cairo by train. Trains travel on rail road. How would you go to Alexandria? You go to Alex by car. Car travels on the highway. You know highway? All of us go with highway. Okay, that is that all of us know. When we go from Ismailia Cairo is highway. Ismailia Cairo highway. Alexandria Cairo is highway. All these called highway. Okay. How would you go to Luxor? We go to Luxor by boat. Boats travel in water. How would you go to Aswan? I would like to go to Aswan by aeroplane. Aeroplane travel in the sky. I will answer one of this matching, and I will leave you the rest to do it as a home. Where would you like to go? I would like to go to Luxor. Okay, so I will select number 1 by number C. I would like to go to. I would like to what? I would like to go to both sides. Number 2 by number B. How would you like to go to Cairo? To go to Cairo by what? To go to Cairo by what? By car. By car. To go to Cairo by car. By car. I go to Aswan. I go to Aswan by what? By boat. I go to Aswan by boat. This number 4 by number 2. Here is go to Aswan. Here is you say go to Aswan. Go to Aswan. No, Aswan by aeroplane. Here is if you have the aeroplane here, and rail road or by boat. Can by boat also. Come Aswan come by boat also. By boat also. Aswan can be 2 ways to go to Aswan, by boat and by railway. Okay, both are correct. Can say by boat, can say by railway. Okay, let's go to another. I will stop here today. Next class I will continue this unit. Thanks a lot until we meet again.